Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm taking you guys on a tour with me to Kalakuta Museum, aka Fela House, and we're going on a tour of Fela House. Yeah, so this is how the house looks like, and this were the pictures that we saw before entering the main building. So while we were here, we had to pay for our entrance fee so we could proceed to continue with the tour, and the entrance fee was 2k per person. Yeah, so this is me paying my entrance fee. So for those of you who are new here and you don't know Fela, so Fela Kuti is a popular Nigerian musician and multi-instrumentalist, and also a political activist. Yeah, so this is the house he lived in before he died in August 1997. I will be taking you on a tour of things that are in his house at the moment. These are covers for his album. So these are just album covers, and this is the cover for his album Shakara, and this is a cover for another of his album, and this one was for the way Kalakuta was destroyed, the first Kalakuta, and here is an article on it. This is another article on police and soldier brutality in the Kalakuta house, and this is the cover album for Zombie, and this is the one for Yellow Fever. So after we finished the tour downstairs, we now moved upstairs, and these are just pictures. This is a picture of his mom, Fumilayo, and him, and then pictures, different pictures of Fela. So these are pictures of Fela and his wife. So do you know that Fela got married to 27 women on the same day? Can you imagine? Then here is a picture of Fela's room before we walked in, and these are his shoes and pants. So did you know that Buhari took Fela to prison, and the prison it was taken to was in Alagbo, and in that prison there was a cell that it was put in which was called Kalakuta, and that was why when he came out he named the house Kalakuta House, Kalakuta Republic to be precise. Did you also know that Fela once campaigned for presidency under the party MOP, Movement of the People, which was a party that he founded? And these are like some of the articles on it. And this is Sandra Isadore, the first woman that gave Fela marijuana. She was the one that introduced him to marijuana. These are some highlights from his show, and here is a movie scene picture. So Fela was once in a movie called Black President, but the movie did not get to be released to the outside world because the movie clip was in the first Kalakuta house, and the first Kalakuta house was destroyed, and there was no way they could get the clip back. So these are just Fela's instruments and a picture of him and his some family members. Yeah, this is Fela Kuti. Yeah, we have 27 of Fela's wives, 27. So Fela got married to 27 women on the same day, and this was because they had been raped by the soldiers during the period where they destroyed the Kalakuta, the first Kalakuta house. So he got married to them to like preserve their dignity, and he got married to them the same day. He also divorced them the same day, 8 years after. So prior to him marrying the 27 wives, he had two wives before, so he had 29 wives in total. Just really want to quickly apologize that the video is in picture form because I could not make a video due to copyright claims. I hope you understand. So these are just pictures of me, pictures that I took. Yeah, see me and this woman with a smile contesting for brightest smile. After the tour ended, we went to the topmost floor and there was a rooftop restaurant. Yeah, so we saw some people there working and vibing, and I proceeded to take these cute pictures. Look how cute they are and how beautiful they turned out. So anyway, that's it on this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you.